Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. All three sketches took 3 minutes. I've tried to do variations of the hair because her hair was actually pulled back. However, I made her neck way too wide and far too muscly looking for the proportion of her head. So that was one of the things that I just could not capture. I don't know, it's because her head was actually slightly tilted that was throwing me off. I don't know, but it really was throwing me off. Not too. It's not my best work, not my worst work, but yeah, I'm improving each time. The accuracy ratio, proportions, and the quick speed, good speed, beg your pardon, is improving. I'm not going to get it each time. However, I do eventually want to get it each time. I am improving each week. So yeah, keep going, guys. If you're joining me in your sketching journey, stay tuned and keep a wee chat going in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye.